Oh, please stop. Don't kill me. Thank you very much. All right. What is up there, people? What is up there, people? It is I, Spoke Riders, back at it again. I know you're thinking, whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this guy doing? He's on the motorcycle. He's doing a video and talking to us. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I've done a motovlog. And I wasn't even going to do another motovlog again because I am not really happy with my current motovlog setup. My Sena is barely working. I think I dropped it a couple times, so it's a little sketchy. Hopefully you can hear me in this video. I'm not really happy with the helmet I'm wearing either, because it's, I don't know, it kind of pushes down on my cheeks. It makes it a little difficult to talk. But enough of the excuses. I'm gonna try it anyway. Here we go. December 2018. Got the Z1000 back on the road after sitting with a dead battery for 3 months. I know you're asking yourself, well, why? Why? I have other bikes. I was riding the DR650. I was driving the Tahoe. That needs a little work. But that's what was going on. So now, trying to make sure I had to beat the yellow light. So as I said before, it's December. Christmas time is upon us. Christmas time is upon us. And I figured, hey, I want to try to get at least a couple motovlogs off before the end of the year. And another reason I haven't really been motovlogging is because I usually do not ride on the weekends. And I'll explain that to you here once the light turns green and I'm moving again, because I hate talking at a stoplight. Anyway, like I was saying, I usually ride my motorcycles throughout the week, doing throughout the week activities as going to the gym and a few other things. So it's like I take the same route over and over again, Monday through Friday. So when I motovlog, I try to make it so it's different locations, so you're not seeing the same thing and just hearing me yapping about different stuff but the same background. So that's what's been going on here lately. Man, honestly, not a lot has happened in the last 2 months, 3 months. I just been kind of chilling, laying back. I kind of fell off of social media for a little while. And honestly, in the last month, man, I just been tied up playing Red Dead Redemption 2, man. Red Dead Redemption 2 on PS4. As you know, if you follow me on Instagram, I've already talked about it in a few stories. It's the greatest game to me in life. So I've been playing the story mode. I got it when I first got the game. And I played the story mode. I beat the story mode. I played it for like a week after that, just trying to do little small stuff. Then it dropped online. And that's a whole nother beast within itself. But I'm not going to get into that too much. I'll save that probably for the Instagram stories. I don't really like doing YouTube videos about video games because I don't really consider myself a gamer when I only really like 2 games, Grand Theft Auto and Red Dead Redemption. So there you have it. But anyway, I'm back on the bike, Kawasaki Z1000 after 2 years of ownership. As soon as I shift the gear, it's still running strong. She's still running great. New parts coming on the way. New how to build up videos coming on the way. And I gotta shift again. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, man. Riding the motorcycle, talking on camera, doing the motovlog. It's a lot. So, there's a lot of, be on the lookout, man. 2019 is going to be big for 100-spoke riders. Let me turn down here. I usually don't turn down here. Let me... What's happening here? Nah, I got to put my feet down. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, Lincoln. Still going? Yeah, I'm still going. 2019 is going to be a big year for me. I got a lot of stuff planned, a lot of new stuff coming, new projects, old projects getting new parts, and there's a big surprise, man. You're about to see a lot more videos from 100 Spoke Riders. I done fell off a little bit with the video thing. One of my quests for December was to try to do a video a day in December. That's why you've been seeing some of these little smaller short videos. I figured out how I can just, do everything off my cell phone, because I don't always have time to do it with the GoPro, load on the computer, add a bunch of stuff. Sometimes I just don't have time for all that. So just so I can post videos more regularly, it's going to be some will be off my cell phone, some will be off my GoPro. And be honest with you, the cell phone I got records videos a lot more crispier than my GoPro does. I mean, granted, I do got the old GoPro Hero 4. I'm slacking, but hey, little doggy. Hi. 2019 is going to be my year, man. 2009. Well, I'm not going to say my year alone. Did a video series with my daughter. You're going to see my daughter pop up in the videos from time to time a little bit more. And I'm not going to speak on it too much because I ain't trying to jinx it. But there might be a special guest coming to join 100 Spoke Riders in this quest at doing videos. So I'll talk about more of that here once the special guest arrives. Oh, no, I gotta keep going. I don't see Lincolns too often, man. He's sitting clean on them 13s, man. Okay. I see you. Got the moon roof. I see you. You clean, boy. I like that Lincoln. I like them body style Lincolns. I don't see that too often in the mean streets of Scottsdale. I was going to turn, but I figured, oh no, let me go ahead and get that Lincoln on there. So you never know what you're going to see in Arizona, man. It's all good, but I got to turn here for real because I got stuff to do. I can't be riding around all day. Oh, what was I talking about? Oh, special guests. I'll get into more of that later on. I'm not going to speak too much on it now. Be on the lookout, man. There'll be a lot of new things coming from the 100 Spoke Riders channel. Uh-oh. Why did they stop back like this? Come on, you can go off the... Oh, of course, they're on the phone. All right, let me creep around you real quick because you're playing. Okay. Yeah, I gotta turn here. So anyway, I'm not gonna sit here and bore you with future plans and what I plan to do. Just sit back and be on the lookout. Once again, a video every day in December. That's the plan. And a lot of new things are coming for the 100 Spoke Riders channel. So just stay tuned. I know I've kind of been slacking a little bit, but it's all good. It's just I'm trying to figure out the balance of living life and doing videos. So it is what it is. All right, people. 100 Spoke Riders signing out for the mean streets of Scottsdale. Thanks for watching 100 Spoke Riders. Subscribe today to not miss a video. You want to hit that little bell like so? Easy. Don't forget about the notifications. All you gotta do is go up there and click it just like that. Slide on down there, hit that save button, and then you won't miss a video. It's that easy.